Hey everybody, I just wanted to say, just thank you for letting me get this YouTube channel and everything I done. So, please leave a like, thumbs up for stuff in here. I just wanted to say, if my friend's watching this, hey, still rolling. Just put a GTA 5 video up just a minute ago. And I'll continue watching this. It'll probably already be done, but yeah, just wanted to say, I'm probably going to be moving to Nevada. And just didn't. I want to come to your house so bad this weekend, but yeah.